But first, all you need are just a few supplies to go DIY crazy with faux pumpkins. And I'm not sure what I'm supposed to say because the prompter moved here. It's get your pins ready, and oh my gourd, there's the pun. Get ready to have some fun.
Yeah, we were waiting for that one all morning. So, oh so lovely blogger Audrey Kuether is here to show us how to pump up our pumpkins.
Yep.
And what I love about this so much is it's perfect for a real pumpkin or a faux pumpkin.
Yeah, you can use anything you have on hand, so there's really no rules.
Okay, so this pumpkin, as we just established, it is real, but it's white. So what was the first step
Yeah,
here?
all I did was spray painted it, but I've also used acrylic paint, so you can use whatever kind of paint you have on hand. So yeah, just do a couple coats of paint, let it dry, and then you're ready for the next step.
Okay, and we only actually need a couple supplies.
Yeah, and for the one you're doing, I'm calling that kind of a confetti pumpkin. So all I do is I get these push pins. These are kind of more for maps, but they also sell, like you can get these on Amazon or Target, really anywhere, different colorful pins. So all you're doing is just pushing them into your pumpkin until you're happy, like just cover the whole pumpkin.
And Audrey, I'm having major flashbacks from my mother like teaching me how to sew because I think she had these same like
these are
jeweled
for
ones.
sewing.
Yeah. Okay, so can we get started? Just kind of go?
Absolutely. Go ahead and just start poking them wherever you want. You know, I try to like mix up the colors a little bit just to kind of, you know, balance them out through the pumpkin.
Okay, so maybe start with a blue here.
Yeah.
And maybe if you wanted to get a little more scientific with it, you could plan it out first.
Yeah, and you could use all the same colors. You know, like on these, what I've used is just some gold flat thumbtacks. It kind of gives it more of a polka dot look. So you can really use anything. And I got these at dollar store, Target. I got silver, and then I kind of started running out of the gold. I had gold to begin with, and so all I did was took some styrofoam and just spray painted the silver ones gold, just because I didn't want to go back to the store. So
Audrey, I love it.
Really do anything.
And did you actually spray paint this pumpkin as well, or did it come like that?
Yes, so this is going to be a Red Friday Chiefs pumpkin. All I did here was spray paint it. I used a Plasti Dip, which kind of gives it a plastic look. So once that dries, I took a pen and I drew KC on it. And then all I'm going to do is just follow my guides here, and you're going to want to overlap your pens just all the way down the letters.
And this is perfect for any Chiefs Kingdom fan, of
Yes.
course, any Red Friday. You could just throw it out. You could do an ode to the city.
Yes, and I like that this one's faux because I'll keep it around. This other one I have to toss, and it always makes me a little sad.
Oh.
So yeah, you'll just follow this all the way down. And then if you want to, if you don't want to do a sport or a confetti pumpkin, like I said, you could take just a regular one. You don't even have to spray paint it. You could use a natural pumpkin too.
And let's talk about this because that one has a glossier, more finished look.
It's just the different spray paint I use. They have kind of more of the matte and more of the glossy ones. But this one, you know, you can just do polka dots. You can follow a line pattern all the way around it. I have a blog post up that you can see some different ideas at ohsolovelyblog.com. But really, it's super simple.
Wow.
Yeah. So a couple options here, and then I'm gonna get back to my Chiefs pumpkin.
See, and I've tried to kind of do yellow and blue like every time.
That's
you know,
good.
just to like do some sort of a
fill
color
in later. Yep.
color pattern.
I like that.
We're throwing in pink and green together as well. So how long would you estimate that these take? And you know, you've got a 6-year-old daughter, of course, Vivian, who's at school right now, so she couldn't join us. But you know, has she helped you with this?
Yeah, she actually did. She helped me with the acrylic painting, and then she's really careful, so I let her do the thumbtacks, and she did a ton. That's why I ran out of the gold ones, because the ones at home are just covered in push pins.
Oh, she loved the gold.
She did about
The kiddos
6.
love them.
Yeah, so that's when I ran out. But yeah, we have them all over our house at this point.
And
so it's definitely a good kid activity.
Is the idea behind this like painting the pumpkins and of course using the push pins, is this actually used to like match home decor?
Yes, absolutely. You could do it to match your home decor. You know, you could do your Chiefs theme. You can do it even for a party. Let's say you're having a birthday party. Like, that really screams birthday to me. So those could be your centerpieces for your table. So you could really use them for anything. And they make good gifts too. Like if you're going for a, you know, a housewarming party, or you know, just want a hostess gift.
So this side of the pumpkin probably took like 15 or less push pins, and we've done it in just a couple of minutes. So you can decorate fast.
Exactly.
Okay, wonderful. And how's that cake coming over there?
It's coming along pretty well. It takes just a little bit, probably I'd say a couple minutes, and then you have it done from start to finish.
And then do you have any other tips for like really making these pumpkins stand out?
I think really I think just mixing up the different patterns, like you can do lines all the way down. So if you want to do a set of, let's say, 3 pumpkins, trying to do different looks for all of them, but they all tie together because obviously you're using push pins. But that's my biggest tip, is just to mix it up and have fun.
Okay, and of course you can always do a color pattern as well. Maybe if you loved blue and yellow.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Audrey, for all of that. We appreciate it.
No problem.